So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit on Exness using Capitec. So in order to use Capitec, the first thing you need to do is to open up your deposit section so you can see your accounts, your payments and wallet, inside, copy trading, then support hub and your profile. So you can click on deposit right here. And if it's available within your region, you should see Capitec as a way to go. So you can see on here Neteller, Skrill, Tether, USD coin, but you can see also Exness, Capitec deposit. So through there, you can use Capitec Pay or bank cards with your specific region. So you can use, as it says here, your money when you want it with some different accounts. And on there, you can see the option to get with Capitec as a way to add it. If it's not popping up, you can use it as a byway. So there's a longer way to get to there. So you can use your Capitec account and transfer it to some account that is supported in your region. So on there, you can use capitec.co.za. And once you've gone there and made sure that all your account info is within reach, you can then transfer it to some different account and then use that account to deposit on Exness. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.